So this is the program. Let's save it. Now let's analyze this and what will be the output of this program in QBasic. Let's see here. One thing we have missed here and here. Let's run it. It is giving us 55. Is it right? Here we have to put the data. One, then 4. It's giving us 55. Yes. So how is that 55? So 1. Okay, let's say first of all 1 is passed. 1 is read, yes or no, by this, and it is passed to function. So it finds 1 is square, it returns to num. Then we get s equals to 1 there. Next time what happens, it supplies n is there 2 is supplied here, so 2 into 2 that is 4. So 1 plus 4 we get there 5. Yes or no? Let's write in notepad there. So 1 plus 4, yes, becomes 5 there. Next time it becomes 3. So 3 is again read from this read statement, and after that is passed to num, that is calling a function, and 3 is passed to this statement. So 3 squared becomes 9. 9 is stored in num, so 9 comes here. So next time what happens, it is 5 plus 9, so it gives us 14. Yes or no? Next time it will become 4. So again it finds 4 square, that is 16. So 16 and plus the previous value 14. 14 plus 16, it gives us 30. Yes or no? Next time it becomes 5. So what is the value of 5? 5 is read by this read statement supplied to num. Num supplies to function procedure, and here it finds a square of that number 5. It becomes 25. So s equals to s plus, so it gives old value is 30 plus what is the new value, that is 25. So it gives us 55, means this is right. Now let's see with help of dry run table. Let's copy it. Okay, now let's write it in the table form. How many variables are there? Look here. First we have to go for n. Yes or no? And first is this x equal to 1 to 5, first variable, then second variable, then third variable. Yes, and next is here this variable. Am I right? Yes. So let's put it here. Tables, one, two, three, four. Let's give here. First is here s equal to 1 to 5. Yes or no? Yes. So first is here 1, x equal to 1 we can say. Next is here read n. So read n. So what it reads there? It is 1. So n is 1 there. It is true. Let's write 2 here. True, false. It would be better to understand there. Next statement is there s equal to s plus num bracket n. So what it does there, num n. First let's find the value of num n there, then we'll put s equals to s plus num n. Okay, so num n is there. What is value of num n? Num n actually it passes the value 1. Yes or no? It is 1. Yes. And actually num n is 1. It is passed to function procedure, and that function procedure is function. Yes. And there it gives us a power 2, that is 1 into 1. So 1 into 1, that is 1. Okay, and let's put here it is 0 plus 1 1. Am I right? Yes. So this is how actually it goes on there. Let's remove this part from here, it would be better to understand. Okay, now let's start from the second now. So next time it becomes 2. Yes, again it is true. Now this, it reaches the value 2, so n equals to 2 it is. Next num n, it passes the value 2. Am I right? Now num equals to, it is 2 into 2, gives us 4. Next is here, it is 1 plus 4, that is 5. Next again it is 3, again being true, it is n equals to 3. Yes, and this actually is a calling of function, yes or no, and when this function is called, it takes the value of n to the function procedure and returns back to num. So what is the value it is taking there? Num 3, it is taking to function procedure. Now num equals to, again it becomes 3 into 3, so it becomes 9. Now it becomes 5 plus 9 is 14. Yes or no? Yes. Now it becomes 4, again being true, it is n equals to 4, it is again n num 4 equals to 4. Yes, it takes a value from the upper module. Now num is 4 into 4 equals to 16. It becomes previous value, it was 14, so 14 plus new value 16, that is 30. Next is here 5, again being true, n equals to 5, num, it is 5 equals to 5, num equals to 5 into 5, so giving 25. It is now, what is the old value? 30, new value is 25, so it is 55. Yes or no? Next time as it becomes 6, then what happens? It becomes false, so it is stops. So what we get there? We get the output 55. Now this is how we make a dry run table, and so we see line by line actually what is the output given by the program. Okay, now let's go for the next.